You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English and clarify the pronunciation. A person who loves dogs. Cynophyle. How to say cynophyle. By the way, if you are yourself a cynophile, stay tuned. I've got videos of how to pronounce dog names, dog breed names that are very confusing. Cynophyle is how you say it. Cynophile. You stress on the first syllable. A cynophile. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.